Hey Peachies! Welcome back to my channel. Romanticizing school is all about seeing it as part of a dreamy, aesthetic life. Picture yourself walking through the halls like the main character, with soft sunlight streaming through the windows and your favorite playlist in your mind. By adding cozy touches to your routine, embracing the beauty of learning, and finding magic in the little moments, school can feel inspiring and motivating every day. Turn your study corner into a dreamy, inspiring spot. Add fairy lights, soft cushions, and neatly organize your stationery. Use cute notebooks, colorful pens, and a pretty planner to make every study session feel exciting and magical. Here is some Pinterest-inspired study corner. Treat your school mornings like a mini fashion show. Choose outfits that make you feel confident, whether it's a cozy sweater, stylish bag, or comfy hoodie. Dressing up can give you a fresh, motivated vibe to start your day. See yourself as the main character in your school story. Walk through the halls like it's a scene in your favorite movie. Music playing in your mind. Savor simple joys, writing in a beautiful notebook, sipping hot tea during breaks, or laughing with friends. Set the mood for focus with calming playlists or study ambiance videos. Try fun and interactive apps like Quizlet to make learning feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Write down your dreams for school, big or small. Whether it's getting top grades, joining a club, or making new friends, celebrate every achievement. Reward yourself with a treat or relaxation time after each win. Find beauty in learning. Think of each subject as a new way to see the world. Science. Marvel at how nature works. History. Travel back in time through stories of the past. Literature. Dive deep into the emotions and lives of characters. Learning can be magical when you stay curious. Create small rituals that make your day brighter. Enjoy a cozy breakfast, a morning journal session, or a walk to school. Pack your bag the night before with things that spark joy, like your favorite pen or colorful sticky notes. Notice the beauty in ordinary moments, the soft rustle of papers, sunlight streaming through the windows, or the sound of chalk on the board. Practice mindfulness by focusing on your breath for a minute before class to feel calm and ready. Make time to try new activities and create memories with friends. School is more than just studying. It's about finding joy in shared experiences, like group projects, fun events, or laughing together during breaks. Prioritize your well-being. Get enough sleep, stay hydrated, and fuel your body with healthy snacks. Be kind to yourself if things feel hard. Take breaks, breathe, and remind yourself that you're doing your best. Mindset shift. Imagine school as a stepping stone to your dream life. Think of every lesson and challenge as part of your growth story. With this mindset, even hard days feel worth it. Remember, school isn't just about grades. It's about growth, memories, and finding the magic in the everyday. By romanticizing your routine, you can turn even the simplest moments into something inspiring. So go out there, make it your own, and enjoy the journey. That's for today's video. Hit the like button and subscribe for Cookie. Love ya. Bye.